If you are facing slow file transfer speed, then you have to perform these steps to speed up. Go to Search, type CMD, and run it as an administrator. Now in CMD write the command as netint tcp set global auto tuning level equals disabled, and press enter. Now close CMD. Go to Search, write Services and then click on it. Search and double-click on Optimize Drives option. Select Startup type as Automatic. Click on Apply, and then click Start button. Finally press OK. This will speed up the file transfer process in your PC.